Hello. It's been windy today. Well, yes, I had a good day. I enjoyed my day because I have to enjoy the moments because I don't know about tomorrow. I'm not wasting a moment, I'm telling you. I'm lucky that I get to do that. And I'm thankful. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks like a little explosion over there. What did I do fun today? Mostly that was coloring. Did work and then I did more work and then did some planting stuff in the garden. And everything's growing wonderfully and I'm super excited. Now I also started some strawberries and blueberries and I'm excited about that too. So, yeah, great day. Tomorrow I've got some fun things planned. We'll see. I still have the evening to enjoy. So, love and blessings.